We're going to have some heavy hitters this week for earnings. Our first one's going to be Oracle, which is after hours on Monday. Before market opens on Tuesday, you're going to have Kohl's and Dick's. After hours on Wednesday, you're going to have Adobe and American Eagle. And Thursday, before market opens, you're going to have Dollar General. Now, why I said these are heavy hitters is because they have the potential to affect the market, whether they're good or bad. So pay attention to these key stocks because they are going to pretty much give you the dialogue of what it's going to be this week. In our economic news this week, and that's economic, but in our economic news this week, only things that are of importance is going to be Wednesday, the 12th, which is the CPI numbers, and then Thursday, the 13th, which is the PPI numbers. These will affect the market. Let's talk about what happened last week in the market. Market kicked off with a sharp drop after President Trump smacked a 25% tariff on imports from Canada and Mexico. So that made the S&P 500 fall 1.8%, and then it made the Nasdaq drop 2.6%, wiping out all gains and putting investors on edge. So making investors feel uncertain about the future of the market.
Oh God, please, no, no, no!
Fed Chair Jerome Powell acknowledges that the trade tensions are putting some pressure on the economy, but reassures that overall growth is still solid. He did not hint to any immediate change in the interest rates, but said Fed is watching the situation very, very closely. So basically, there is no changes as of right now in the interest rates, but if something does change, the Feds will step in and change those. So here's my bullish outlook on SPY. So SPY needs to hold $575.50 in order for it to retest and reclaim that resistance level of $585.50. If this happens, this could be a potential breakout to $590 to or $595.50. And then our psychological level, key level, is SPY at $600. If SPY could be $600, that will reclaim all bullish sentiment in the market and will allow SPY to show that there is strength in the market. My bearish outlook on things would be if SPY breaks 575.50 support, it could lead a retest of last week's 565.63 or a failure of 570.50 to hold as a support could basically give us an indication that there is more momentum to the downside. Markets are falling, and that would give us a price target of 563 and 555 for the upcoming week. Now let's go over some stocks to keep an eye on for the upcoming week. Before the market opens on Monday, what we have right now is crypto stocks. All crypto stocks are down negative 5%. Big tech stocks are down negative 1%. Google is down 1%. Tesla is down 1%. And TSM is down 1%. These may be stocks that you might want to keep your eyes on for the upcoming week.